before studying what is pointer, we will see few concepts related to pointer. When we store any data or information in computer, it will be stored in computer memory. Suppose this is our computer memory and here we can save our data. In our programs, data means basically variables, and that variables have to be stored in memory. Again, this memory is divided into number of cells called memory locations. As shown in the figure, memory contains number of memory locations. Each memory location can hold only 1 byte of data. That is, each cell hold 1 byte of data. Each memory location is associated with address. That is, each location is assigned with address. So here, starting from 0 to 102 are the addresses which are associated with each memory location. So these addresses are called pointers. We will take one example and we will see what is pointer. Suppose in exam hall there are 30 benches and on each bench there will be a unique roll number is written. So according to roll number, on each bench there will be only one student. So in this example, hall is computer memory, benches are memory locations. Roll numbers written on bench are addresses and student sitting on that bench is data. So when examiner goes near particular student by checking roll number for signature, that will be the pointer. Now we will see what is address. So when we declare a variable in C program, that time memory is reserved for that particular variable, and the value which is assigned to that variable will be saved in memory location. Remember that value saved in variable and address are two different values. We can easily check the address of memory location by using AND symbol. If num is the name of the variable, then AND num will be address of that variable. We will see one program so that you will easily understand. So in this given program, first we have initialized value to the variable num, that is 7. So in next line we are printing the value stored in num. So our first output will be 7. In second printf statement, instead of just displaying num variable, we have used AND symbol. So that AND symbol will give you the address of that particular variable. So in this case, the address is 12004. So num and num, these are the two different things. There are few terms which are related to pointers. The first one is pointer constant. The addresses assigned to various memory locations are fixed by the system and they cannot be changed. Hence, the addresses or pointers are constants. That means addresses of memory location are already fixed. You cannot change the values of the address. Second one is pointer values. When the variables are declared, memory is allocated for those variables during compilation time. These addresses assigned to variables by the compiler are called pointer variables. Third one is pointer variables. A variable which holds address of another variable or memory location is called a pointer variable. So pointer variable is used to hold address of another variable.